we will introduce you our fully automatic 5-axis CNC tube bending machine. Our machine is very easy to use as it is multifunctional with ergonomic design. With remote internet access, the Live machine is always with you wherever you are in the world. With the optional drilling and cutting feature, you can drill or cut the pipe from any location you want. You can easily import and run STP format drawings on our SOLIDWORKS compatible machine. You can check the bendability of our pipe by simulating the impact before bending. With the infinite bending feature, you can wrap the pipe like a spring and bend it at the desired radius without changing the mold.